Welcome to our tutorial on training your dog to follow the basic commands sit and stay. First, let's start with the sit command. This is an essential command for controlling your dog's behavior. To teach your dog to sit, hold a treat above its head and slowly move it back. As the dog follows the treat, its natural response will be to sit down. Once your dog sits, reward it with the treat and praise. Repeat this process several times until your dog understands the command. Now, let's move on to the stay command. This command is crucial for keeping your dog in one place. To teach your dog to stay, start by giving the sit command. Then, take a step back and use a hand gesture to signal stay. If your dog stays in place, reward it with a treat and praise. Gradually increase the distance and duration of stay as your dog becomes more comfortable. With consistent practice and positive reinforcement, your dog will quickly learn to follow the commands sit and